yewura awudu say ono no chala chamantin waboni dua oso wabo alanchamantin dua enti enche bia alanchamantin obewu oso alanchamantin is going to die soon ne baby wuram na yetie the enti a okasa alanchamantin ebewu. Now according to the MPP vice chairman or say enya mane mfaso a alanchamantin enya e de afiri MPP mu na ene ono etimi koti party ni din no ye friend UP just say unity us unity party UP no wa woni ma bakosem bia no woni mu say ye kese UP a united party a party a enu mu na MPP free buy enti the MPP vice chairman say ono de ala chairman peu ompew waboni dua obewu animu ya enam se so transe na ohwemu yie pa alanchamanten epese oni MPP apro wa sheda ana oye na adwene se ode ni party na watene ode MPP ye background ekot farm ho se de be obi MPP ni a obefili se UP no eye something e belong to the MPP party. It is same way ama the MPP vice chairman na nia bere pa wadwa pa into oba bonten so no de duaba no de obia na obetumi asizi no se mane mo alanchamantin dua na obebo alanchamantin dua ma alanchamantin awu because alanchamantin eye traitor osanso ye obi a untumi enenen tenase emmobra embom osanso kire alanchamantin enya ntoboase because senka alanchamantin enya ntoboase a ebi anka na me no kasa impo no nka he can hold a particular position in the party nke bi kura nke ho behia mpo asen say we the presidential candidate of the party enti vice chairman de nani abrepa na me pese yenko tie ensema vice chairman editor abonten na yewia yasan aba studio mechia me maame ama ene menwa Evans Jaben mechia mu yie pa meso se won subscribe ya na wa subscribe on fa won sense adoma no so na wa don search so na wa like video na ama me da na appear good evening beautiful family abusia mama yanko me da na me makwa bapa mama yanko ne nkonkotie the vice chairman of the MPP and sama ode be go abonten say Alan Chairmanten ajo kwajo Alan Chairmanten is almost dead because no odi kosuane na ntwe bebo Alan Chairmanten dua yanko ne nkonkotie mu asisia
721 enkomodie kakra ho wona akwakofa United Party Radio XYZ any wona ekura won dada chairman we third national chairman edman MPP amanyuku no Masaudu Osman Alhaji make us say chairman buga ana na mrante ne frɛ no chairman mache
Bejusu menua
no apom to say
Jawusu nyame adom
e do body asepa enra de ese alanchamentia bom film Alhaji yeso wa bo ye mu ahwe kra obetimi afim oja no pay
Radio XYZ
the edikan Ajawusu baminchia watie ko nyina na machia dada fo nyina Ajawusu utie me
yetio papa
maminchia dada fo nyina na machia MPP mpanyimfo na machia His Excellency the former President of the Republic of Ghana Nana Addo Akufo-Addo na machia His Excellency the Vice President of the Republic of Ghana Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia. Therefore, 5 aspirants candidates you know muchine pese a delegation and to abamo mona omobakombe ye flag bearer no mecho mu nyina se sebra mu nyina wa bontin omoye campaign din nura me nyantie se Canada Japan wo Savannah region na Bawumia su ewo unu East region the empire say nyamema campaign no enya asundwie na yetu aba no wie na ntimi yi the candidates a obelidi party no na di ko akansi ye di be ko 2028 no because aja usu hwe Ghana for afi MPP papa aja usu na usi dia na usi alanjamante de
sir yesi no ade we osi abom yam na no pemu no nsuo kra mbafe
na omushe sakwatru kwase obema untuma tie ni gin ye nde ye MPP for ye ti hodom no obi anya happy person
Radio
nde ye ni agi papa say ye bonfire ye ni nananum abonfire ye kremofo mu wo ye ho abonfire papa na Christopher abonfire papa na the bad notes nkrofo a omuye awidifuo pes say MPP ayidi enko nanim no awiakete nyame ayi omu efiri ya party mo me say nde anigye ye wo as MPP no say Alan kyeremanteng efiri ya party no nyame nko anim sa anigye. Secondly, Nura, metise Boniface Abubakar no o dì3 bi say MPP for Yamajara amnesty Yamomo amnesty by Obwa yamma alankyeremanteng ni adoye ni Boniface Abubakar fine na mamo amnesty ya yimu a free party no ya pomo a free party no because wu Abubakar Boniface no the hopes na doye no party dem kasa na yimu free party no because of bad conduct exhibit here against your constitution because party no abramudi Alan cheno na mu ya party for Alan ko wi ye na mu free Alan party akojo na afofranto na yi omo so Boniface onja sa tro no. Secondly na afofranto ya de ni mo se omu ya afofranto sa UP no kura enche bia de omu be kokot we mi ka cha UP no omu di ayentakwa no mu kraba omu afofranto no
there be a ne party and what alaji
party fake UP no ya nim UP UP ni na wu MPP sa wo sorry na wo fight UP na kire wo sa di UP di say wo di na UP sa UP no wo nya no wa he sa UP ni wunya no wan we akonfo that fake UP no no omo kuta no fake UP no no omo kuta no but yeni a lawyer for ekisa e pese I say Ghana dia we bibia mra na odibeye because UP no a political party registered da na Alan kyeremanteng kura omunya wo. So we believe in the UP tradition and go on call election. Now we lose election. Now we free party no say we free party no because we lose election we can form our own party. So UP tradition no obia call election no lose no free party no and can there and UP no wa. Yeah, my year fi say Adubohin no Kufuor ko election.
Radio XYZ.
Adubohin winni Kufuor 1992. Kufuor onye di po boni ti say Alan kyeremanteng na Kufuor say ma jai party no etifie. Yang tai say Akufo-Addo no Kufuor ko election. Kufuor winni Akufo-Addo promise. Akufo-Addo betina party no esum party no nyami chade no Kufuor tam so ye dan e bai abra Alan kyeremanteng Echo election no ne Akufo-Addo no. Onye onu nkwa o. Omo ye 17 na ekọ ye. Owi ya no resign here. This is the first time Owi 208 ya no resign here. Oho na party for whom say Electoral no nya MPP ni ba no nya MPP ni papa because who the first time who call election ya who lose ya waja party no ya wo no usa ba ye Mr. Oba ye the Rocha no ya former national chairman Electoral say any political party that will contain Electoral will not prosper. Political party bia ebegis ni party say Electoral say this greedy person how be contain Electoral party ni economy
Alaji wo frɛ Electoral greedy asa no pe wa nye fair team and party no akote
we are awunya
Radio.
we are Jonas man maybe anyame mfa wonduru no pese odu wonduru oni begu ase me si busu ebema Electoral ni begu ase no enu sa busu mu na ye dan ejira ye no me si yan kai say 17 aspirants no na onu Electoral ka ho na hakma usu ajima mu nyina ka ho na Akufo-Addo mu nyina ka ho why na Ejai party no say because of Olusu election to Ojai party no. Electoral 208 Ojai. Ye ba ye Electoral ne we oba party no what saba ye kwa ye be call election ye sa bisa no say wo me na me bisa no that question no. Bisa no. Be call election only 2024 election 2024
primaries na mo ko no
primaries no maybe sa no say nde yenim say last who lose election na wa free party no so this time around so who corner who lose who be free party no na who be wo party no wo kasa sa say ono wo free party no won sa but yenim no o ko election ya o lose ya kaja no sa free party no say we continue party continue party that say yanjado ndura on na mo no auditor say we continue afafranto nkrofo penis t-shirt ajama papa we short plan
na me ba et say a party na nkasa say no Electoral Commission Ghana ne pono so parties are na political parties ya register e wo so no United Party and UP enisubi challenge na obi ko register UP mo be worried
you know that name UP no na say e kai say UP no aya MPP et say nde NDC ni achedu kacha na Julius Dabra be ko election no lusu no si wa ko form party PNDC wasi wa ko form party PNDC no the DMB ma PNDC
Radio
no
XYZ.
obianim say PNDC no ene na wu NDC sa na UP ewu NPP so ya de enya the political party what ye na higher because betwa be bi o aja wusu ye wo Ghana ha Electoral ne afa from no ko election chada ya nim chada no in political history chada ni political history bia wonya youth organizer da wonya minister da wonya obiata politician mo chada timiko election no beat Electoral hands down ama Electoral we 0 nande chada kwa bitu na MPP na slow what do you have in the front lane no ono adoye ni Bonifed Abubakar omuno dia na ombetema ya Ghana ha eye nipa frustration form but the mimic Ghana for say nobody should take Electoral and the fake UP almost fake UP no nobody should take them serious. It is fueled by the NDC for nation of Martin Omuyeta.
Oh, enra NDC ni bia nyina ho. Ma mu ni MPP for na ho.
Sanka Electoral ne apara chickens no omuko ko declare omuhu ema NDC say ya ba ya jono mu anka bɛyɛ papa esini la rasulullah omo yɛ no
Radio
alajamanti MPP ya nu ya ho papa sɛ yɛ titiw abeduru mrebi yɛ bɛ kaze alajamanti di agro yɛ MPP yɛ bɛ kaze no yɛ bɛ kaze no
mod
ɔno ne busia ɔno bia
afedi mod no men man
me mami kacha mani mini abra papa alajamanti di agro the new patriotic party no yɛ bɛ kaze no from the one ojoine MPP na adie bia wonya wo MPP no ndano wo ket alajamanti na we actually onhunu we actually papa say ono omo betima gu MPP there masa omo boa so me
party
omo tre no nyina omo di omo CV call say NDC for mo agima
to boase beba why train na di ni CV call send this for mo agima
alajamanti anungwasie bema we osori ye gara yankoti alajamanti di the CV anye so obi wo on fera de obi adungwasia be kan say wo the former trade minister 2 times trade minister under Kufuor and under His Excellency the former president Nana Addo Akufo-Addo, you were served as a cabinet minister because of ahonya, because of jealousy, the high level of jealousy. Would the receive call NDC form Emma
Dabe
NDC form few
Dabe
I may say me catch out alajamanti no piajima NDC mu no mo pam omo management na say the $10,000 the 5 we en for unkoshi
na alaji alanchamanti na okana sem no ye friend alankashu sika bon ho se bibi no na akokete na alanka $10,000 what the day
me see oya alankash no by the time where alankash Kufuor kutalo to say the bar as a minister of trade and industry as ambassador to Ghana ambassador to USC Akufo-Addo so by Osamanu 7 good years as a minister no. But that time no more friend of Alan Cash under the new patriotic party but under Afafrantu there you better Alan say Alan confused
Radio XYZ.
Alan confused Alan Cash by on him cash where better buy your cash wa him anko benya cash anka wonko election no na chada ko bitino no nipa chada me Alhaji Masaudu me to hodom no me chada be call election Ghana ha chada be tiba bitime me Alhaji Masaudu the national third vice chairman of the new patriotic party nan da mini chada be call election kura chada be tiba bitime
na me bawo Alhaji say alanchamanti e Ghana ni na onimdie na saban asesa na nimdie betimi abo aban bi na alanchamanti kopa adwuma mpa men kan se de o kan san na kopa adwuma na ide because so e Ghana ni
me see oya Ghana ina meka say o try first no nya chanka wo sa ye ni CV kama no sa di koma Julia Debra na Julia Debra pe bibia man wa anka e better aja usu so kai first no mu see eti Romo say Obsidadoye Obama Obsidadoye Ghana ambassador to Nigeria wakai
na say no and I can say rumor nti rumor dey na dey be ka
na nya no kore unim say na anka NDC fo hu say sa dey to work o ya ma na anka obodi this airport then NDC fo fi abontin omo you to the prayer abontin did Obsidadoye tam ka che John Mama nim offer Obsidadoye Embra this thing airport no hundi ebe sinus Obsidadoye so ohonum no na NDC for Pama Adoye se si a ono so nam la Rasulullah one city so some crowd we which credibility did these people have
But
so that
some yes,
form a political party that the MPP will be afraid. They don't have any credibility. They were failed people and they were frustrated guys. So too, they use them. The NDC is now using them as their dirty boys, so that they work for their paymasters.
No.
So what's that? Moko join NDC. Namunja cha awunya muninam no.
Omunko NDC no munya de omuye no. Se munsuro alaji. Se de okay. Se nyese MPP suro lanchemante pa ne ne party awati a. Enka de UP nka mo hunahuna ne se mo de ne be kokotumpu. Nka be jai ni bi na kwaye ne
UP no. Aya MPP.
Radio XYZ.
Untimi mba se wafi UP. Wafi UP asa for me UP. Even though we change dino, but logo no, and a political party the aya UP no, a register data. Me kwa mi nim time there. Electoral Commission kwa to me.
Radio
Pini ye register UP Emma Nkonfobi, because the UP no UP, that is the original UP we know, the Donka Dombo Bushia UP no, that we know no. Omono and to me and say MPP then I must have about the UP back. So Omo UP no and yet the UP no.
Okay.
I UP. I have fake UP.
Okay.
As I say, you see, middle school, no, my subject be almost friends are subject to no, mental work. Mental work, no, your mental. But we have a mental that contain iron, and we have a metal that not contain iron. As I say, UP need to, UP need iron, metal. Now, from two UP so I mental. But we have ferrous and non-ferrous mental. So the ferrous mental are mental that contain ions. That is the UP of the MPP. And the non-ferrous mental are mental that does not contain iron. So Omu UP it is a metal that does not contain any iron.
Okay.
Uti UP no, Ubeti say yes, UP no, Ubeti say MPP or UPB. But it is not that our UP, that our mental that contain iron. No.
Okay.
No.
Now, yes, Alaji before I
but did not contain iron.
Okay. Yes, Sankofa. What can't with Sankofa inchi? Sankofa ne say. Alanche Mantina who say UP ne betimi akama boom. Nti osa kwa kofa UP no na tumi akama boom na afi mwetimi akoba bi ese boss assassin so.
Aka hoya boom. Onu no ape na UP ne na edi kufo be ba na. Ebe free MPP mu ana. Akufo ado be free MPP mu ana. Akpo usu ajuma mu be free MPP mu ana. Our elders no nyina our funding fathers no nyina mu wa ono no mu na be free MPP abe journey. Ne fake MP and ne fake UP no ana. Me see would mark ne baby and so on to. Won say on be change political party, on be change ne team.
Hey. My serious.
On be change UP no. On be change UP no. Ever maybe on be yan Alankash party. On be yan Alankash party because UP no muye tu. Yan timin tina senja we mu no mudi. MPP ni tutu form.
Yate. Nese enye se bia mo kana mo no keke mo be chiro mo ba bia power na nkasa da whereby ya.
Because me na nkofo we kwa mo ni credibility bia. Ala kwa de say the way on ante.
There be eno credibility as to whether no we need credibility electoral commission enya de a obejo forms I endorse kase ya mo at party you have to get that credibility.
Enyo mo no all power. And this for the show mercy. So bibia how many people never person will be a political party? One say mama last bibi. One say onu ba ya mama. Yes. And this me see afafanto NDC. You and my party, I and my party are one. Sana I Alan Kyeremanteng Afafaranto the NDC are one. So yeah, we are dealing with
Radio
Afafaranto
XYZ.
now Alan Kyeremanteng as NDC sympathizers and NDC members. We don't deal with these people as like they are forming a political party. Which political party? We conform more why never free MPP abedi sound conform with you.
Ate.
I mean,
But alaje yada se bet case ne de musi MPP for musi am hwen man ko boni bia.
Alan Kyeremanteng was Diagro MPP bet Kazunu from one city wonya MPP to now no. So see what that can wonya free MPP free yeah bresuno. Now I see what the no ebe high MPP and all the no ebe kutia MPP. Who guide him? Who guide Alan Kyeremanteng so that you know who has benefit from this party.
Alaji,
a grateful person like Alan Kyeremanteng.
Paper bakwa a cram a way chronicle. Or the UP plus minim UP plus. Nese when a special UP. Any UP where a special UP. Bakwa special.
Me see, Anamika no, open special. UP no. I had to say mental. I had to say that yeah, but mental no. One UP is a mental that contains iron. That is the ferrous mental. And one UP no, whether UP plus or UP minus.
Radio XYZ.
I am mental with that. I am mental with that iron.
Yati.
So substance bia ni omu UP no ho.
Okay.
Anunyam bia ni ho, respect bia ni ho. Spirit behind ho. Alan Kyeremanteng Diagro, the spirit of the UP will test Alan Kyeremanteng by the spirit of the original UP. Onukra ontiminda. How for UP Diagro, UP no. How for UP Diagro or the UP Diagro, you will see his end results. When you're very careful. When you're very careful, that's how UP know. These people are mad.
There be nyabotre. Oh, alaji, ye din command of Pakama say. Na what they mad bebem.
Sometimes, mama so sa jokers. Maya so sa jokers, you know, because you know, it is not a joke. What you are saying with the UP? How dare you? How dare you, Alan Kyeremanteng? One UP. And now, rollers kura. Okuta to okura on timin time to UP. No you. How dare you?
Alaja no peme da say. Why?
Enti
Yeah, that's it. Radio X
chairman and I enter in Kana or see Alan Kyeremanteng there. The abandon so Odibia and people be afa. Enti this is what is going on. Alan Kyeremanteng and I gonna say OPA party fufro. Okoye party fufro ko for MPP for ye din that said in a party name. It is obvious to say a provocation. Any time hurukwa and a papa ye. I was in this switch the wide doing comment session boss which me muye. They are Kyeremanteng ye efata esse and I say also do the say. Met yet your phone na mama mo good and very good weekend. To meet again. Adios.